rare cases, you may have to remove 3M VHB tape from your bonded surfaces. This could be because of an application error or to repair a damaged component, such as a dented trailer sidewall. To remove or separate bonded components, you can use an oscillating tool to cut through the adhesive. Spray isopropyl alcohol to the edge of the tape to help lubricate the cutting blade and prevent the separated tape from bonding together again. Run the oscillating tool down the length of the tape, cutting 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch deep during each pass. Once the components have been disengaged, you can use the tool to remove any residual adhesive. Use 3M adhesive remover to remove any residual adhesive remaining in the bond area. Simply spray the residual tape with the adhesive remover and allow the adhesive remover to soak in and loosen the adhesive. If necessary, scrub the surface with a 3M Scotch-Brite hand pad to help remove the residue.